Welcome back, everyone. We are back with another technical analysis, and we are back with Litecoin. So basically, since last time, let's say it was like a week ago, so 17th of December, we did mention that we are looking for a liquidity movement to lower zones and then a steep movement to the upper zones. And this is exactly what happened. So, of course, we had one liquidity movement on the LTC coin, which got suppressed by the sellers, resulted in a final breakdown, reach of this liquidity zone, smaller correction, breakdown, retest to secure one liquidity moment here. You can see, so liquidity moment here, and basically since resulting this liquidity moment, which looks very similar to this one here, and you will get a better explanation of this later on when we go on a bigger time frames. But basically, since we reached the zone, we've been going in upward trend, retest, 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 and now there is a possibility of seeing upward movement on hourly time frame. So in order to see an upward movement on hourly time frame, we need to see a breakout structure here. So let's put a BOS sign here, and this will be the yellow line. So we need to see a breakout structure to form here nicely. Let's go 30-minute time frame, put it like properly, and we need like this and back here. Now once we see a breakdown, sorry, not breakdown, breakout resulting a breakout structure, most probable movement would be something like this. Just movement to the zone, maybe here, and retest here. So this would be the last one had to be here. So few points of interest for this kind of game plan for us is going to be this zone, of course. Now this line here and this line here, then this zone here actually, and this one here as well. So these are, let's straighten it far. Now, once we see the breakout, not breakdown, breakout from here, we are going to look for upward movement and just further reclaim of the upper zones, meaning further breakout structures. So give me 1 second. Now, it would result in, let's take a look how much, 25% of market price movement, and stop loss should be closer to this zone. Now, a different kind of scenario that we might see is a full switch of trend, breakdown, breakout structure here, and then a further movement to the lower zones. And to give you better understanding as well, on 4-hour time frame, there is a possibility of seeing a similar movement to here. So 1 and 2. Now we are going to remove these zones here and all these zones here as well. Actually, let's leave this one. So if we see some kind of movement like this, so we fail to secure the zone, or let's say we even break out, move back to the lower zones, slowly retest, a huge probability is that we will see just some kind of liquidity movement to the lower zones again, which would be just similar to this zone. So we had a push, breakdown, push, consolidation. Okay, let's start again. Push, consolidation, breakdown. Push, consolidation, breakdown. Now push, which has pushed already previously it was 20%. From here on, we have pushed already the 20% that we have to push. Now, most logical way on 4-hour time frame would be if we see some kind of consolidation movement, meaning just sideways movement here, and then a probable movement back to lower zones. But if on hourly time frame, again, we see a breakout structure, most likely we'll retest at least this recent resistance zone here. So two possible ways for the LTC coin. Now all we can do is just wait. Last time we made like 25%. Let's see which game plan will be activated this time. Now the short trade will be taken only and only once we break at least this zone here. So if we reach this zone, meaning similar zone to this one here, then we are going to go and look for like downward movement, because we don't see a proper like how do you call it, a proper the consolidation, so sideways movement. So there is no like any support or resistance so far. It's just upward movement and a possible breakout. So now we are looking for upward movement. If we break down, then this is the zone we will be keeping our attentions on. I think, as always, that's it. Pretty short video, but nothing much to talk here. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.